Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the left pantry rail in this Samsung refrigerator, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a small flathead screwdriver. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the appliance's power cord. Fully remove the two crisper drawers. As well as the pantry drawer. Now use the small flathead screwdriver to depress the tabs to release the crisper drawer shelf assembly from the water filter housing. Remove the shelf assembly. Detach the left side pantry door mounting post from the left rail and remove the door. You can now remove the pantry cover. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the 3 mounting screws, securing the left pantry rail to the liner. Pull the old rail forward to remove. To install the new pantry rail, insert the rear tabs into the slots in the liner. Then thread the 3 mounting screws to secure. Reposition the pantry cover. Then reinstall the pantry door by inserting the right side mounting post into the hole in the right rail first. Then snap the left side post into the notch in the left rail. Realign the crisper drawer shelf assembly and snap the center rail into place on the water filter housing. Replace the 2 crisper drawers. As well as the pantry drawer. Plug the power cord back in. And the refrigerator should be ready for use.